ready to do some yoga on the slackline. We're going to be working on 3 forward fold variations today. Working our way up from the easiest to the hardest. The last 2 are, both pretty difficult, so send me your videos. I want to see which one you think's the hardest. Starting with the first one, sitting forward fold. Find that nice sit position. We're going to extend the leg that's closest to the line forward and facing the anchor point straight. Okay, next leg is also going to go straight and try to match it. The idea is this leg here has to stay engaged. That's the extra work. From there, we're going to take the arms up, exhale, trying to reach for the toes. Come back out. Notice I'm really having to keep this leg activated, yeah? It's part of the challenge. Keep it up. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale. Can't reach the toes, that's fine. Reach for your shins. Wherever your forward fold is. Push your limits, but be smart. Be safe. Okay, that's the first one. Next one we're going to work on is an exposure variation. Like I said, this one and the third variation are both hard. Send me your videos. Tell me what you think. We're going to be an exposure, keeping the feet fairly close. Put the energy into the heels so I don't go forward and face plant. And I'm slowly moving here. Okay, forward fold. Nice and slow, controlled movements. Trying to go for straight legs. Okay, do that a few times. Have fun with it, but be safe. Make sure the energy does go forward if it's going to come down. We don't want you falling backwards. Have a mat there if you do have any concern about going backwards. And now the final one, progression 3, forward fold from a slacker stance. So from facing an anchor point, again, we've got a wild leg here. This is why I find this one to be the most difficult. A lot of the energy when I forward fold wants to pull me this way because this extra leg is just free and it's weighted, bringing me this direction. So a little cue that I'll give is focus on the standing leg. Try to put energy driving into the heel, into the line, keeping the energy towards that side. Activate this leg, bring it in as close as you can. Inhale, get long, exhale, forward fold. Yeah, see, that one's challenging. So work both sides of these different 3 poses. Work the left and the right and build your way up. Enjoy it. Send us your videos once again. We want to see all your awesome attempts. And till next time, keep training.